had a milestone birthday, and my brother, who works in the dirt for a living, sent me a very interesting birthday present. He sent me a bag of locks that he found while dredging the sea. The challenge is, can I pick one of those locks? Well, brother, challenge accepted. So let's take a closer look at some of these locks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 locks here. The first one is a Best, very recognizable brand name for locks. The back of it says property of, I can't make out what that says. I'm not sure. Best. All right, so that's number 1. Number 2, this one is interesting. This is obviously a Navy lock, US Navy. Does have a key in it. That key is in there pretty solid. I'm not sure if we'll be able to get that key out, but that would be really great if we could. Next one, also US Navy lock. Brand name on this one, Sargent. So this one I think is probably not going to happen. The shackle, you can tell it's bent, so that one's probably not going to make it. Next one, another Best, just like the first one we looked at. All right, so number 5 here is another one by the US Navy. The shackle does turn. That's great. We got a keyhole. That's going to be super challenging to get all of that out of there and pick. And number 6, this is probably the one that we have the best shot at getting into. We have another US Navy lock. It does have the key. Look at it, all that grime in there. Does not turn. Shackle is locked in. But this one, I think, that's our best shot. All right, let's see if we can clean these locks up. Well, that was anything but easy. It took a number of steps, but persistence paid off. Finally got it. That was fun. Thank you, brother.